Hey guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. So anywho, as y'all know, I love moving state to state, love it. So whenever I move, it's nobody's business, because I used to be a person to let everybody know what I'm doing all the time, but now, please, I don't let people know nothing. Well, as of 7 years ago, I'll say. But we all know 8 is the completion year, or 8 is a number completion. 8 is a number infinity. If y'all don't know, you know, but welcome to Virginia. Now, let's turn the page, right? So this is a new chapter in my life. But anywho, are any of y'all homeowners? Because the home owning process is crazy. It's been like years. I mean, some banks, they say they give it to you, but it's crazy. Like, I have a credit union. I don't have a bank because I don't trust banks, nor do I trust the credit union, but I'm just saying, I'd rather trust them over the bank. So, as I was saying, it's crazy because they have programs for veterans, and then they'll tell you, excuse me, because you didn't do active duty, you don't have certain benefits, which is bananas to me. If you're a veteran, you're a veteran. Like, I'm confused. Was there a war in 2000? No. Do y'all remember them being a war? It wasn't. Now, anyway, let's have a moment to say hi to Duncan. Hey, Duncan. So, what is your favorite drink? Is it iced coffee? What is it at Duncan? Let me know. I'm curious. I made some salmon and some cheese grits, and I put my green seasoning. The link is in my bio for my Etsy shop, my Caribbean green seasoning. If y'all wanna, you know what I mean, cook and feel like you eating some West Indian food. All my Caribbean green seasoning, all the ingredients is organic. Now back to the regular scheduled program. What I was saying about being a homeowner, it's bananas. And the veterans, they say that they give you a lot of benefits, but they don't unless you are a World War vet, or you served a certain amount of time. But I feel like serving 8 years in reserves is a lot. Like, you gave a lot to your country. Like, I'm confused. So how much years do you have to serve for it to be considered a lot? This is bananas. But anyway, being a homeowner. So when I was in an apartment, I basically paid rent, right? Now paying mortgage, I'm looking at it as, I don't really see the benefits. It's the same thing as like paying rent. Okay. The only difference is you can make changes to your house. You can make changes. You know, in the lease, it's different. It's just, instead of being called a lease, it's called a mortgage. But listen to this. Yay! What you got? Let me see. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Wow, I got some. How pretty. Wow. You're getting a lot. But those are little. That's okay.
Mommy, there's no more mayo.
I know.
Huh. Cody, I don't get more mayo.
Hold on. Let me record this, right?
Okay. I'll charge it.
Okay.
Mommy.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, how cute was that garden? We go to that garden all the time, but I love it. It has rosemary. You saw organic kale. It has regular kale. It has eggplant, tomatoes, of course. That should have been my first my first thing that I said, my statement, but it's okay. And they have, what else? They have a bunch of stuff. I think they have squash now. It's growing underneath. Potatoes, thyme. What's going on there? Oh, excuse me. What's going on? What y'all doing? Huh? What's happening? Oh, okay. Thank you. That was very loud. Okay, carry on. So I had to go to the DMV. You know, they call it different things in different states, but it's the DMV. And it's always going to be the DMV. Department of Motor Vehicles. Okay. Stop it. MBA. What's that? Come on. Anyway, extra. She loved the police. Any police. She loved them. As she should. We love cops. Because they protect and serve us. All them stalkers I had in my life. Please. And still do. They protect me. And I love them. I always wanted to be a cop. I think in my next lifetime, if I don't come back with my memory, I'm definitely coming back and going straight to academy school. Yes, sir. I don't care. I don't care. And I'm coming back as a man, please. This female stuff got to go. Because I definitely want to be respected and be treated equally. You feel me? Because we already know how this world goes. Doesn't matter what you say, what rights you have. Doesn't matter. We know you a man and you in a certain position, a field, you get respected. Anything else, they don't care. They just pretend. So look at this, gorgeous. Yeah, I know I'm always at somebody's waterfront. That's why I have to get a waterfront house. Okay, that's my goal. Either farmhouse or waterfront or both. Okay. God will provide as he always has. Look at this, how cute. I never saw a swing with a baby car seat attached to it. Basically like a baby seat. Look at this, look at the park, so pretty. What? Look, and she loves it. She's on, like, I'm thinking that's the handicap swing because ain't no way. Why does it have that big thing? But this is what they did to it. It's so cute. So we haven't been here in, like, if you go back in my videos and you look at the park with the water, I'm in the park right now. These kids going crazy. And you look, you'll see that this was totally different. Like, what? She's excited. As she should be. Look at her braids. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. Aww. Look at my best creation. Love her. But anywho, let me tell you something. This park is lovely. Okay? I love it. So let's see what else it has here. Let her have fun. Look at this. How cute is this? Y'all saw me on it, but what? So the baby gonna go in here, and then I sit down as you saw. I mean, what else will they come up with? This is gorgeous. Everybody's so creative. Y'all remember that lady? So I was like, let me get my prayer time in. Let me manifest and talk to God, have my moment, my time with God. Even though I have my time with God anytime, but you know. When you have a babysitter, you got to get your time in, honey, okay? Because she was taking a nap. So mommy had to go pray, talk to Mama Oshun, talk to Mama Yemaya, talk to all my sisters and all my brothers and everybody and my mother. You feel me? Y'all who know, because I'm not going to explain nothing. All right? If you know, it doesn't need to be explained. Okay? Now, anywho, I was getting the water, washing, bathing, you know. Like I'm in India, you feel me? That's another place I have to go. Forget Dubai. Let's go to India because at the end of the day, that's where I need to go to all the rivers and all the lakes and all the sacred places. Okay, and I need to take myself to Tibet. All right, to the biggest temple on earth. That's what they tell us on this earth plane. But I had to collect my water because I take it home. Yes, and I put on my altar. Yeah, absolutely. And right, because my ancestors live in my house anywhere I go. I respect them. Thank you. I give gratitude. Now, let's go to the library. We always in the library. Now, as I told y'all, what I'm going to do in the future, in my future videos, is have music playing. I'm trying to understand how to use this Firefox, I believe. That's the app. It's an app. And I just can't get it. So on an Apple, you know when you're used to using, I'm used to using Toshiba, what is it? All these Dell and all these what is it? Microsoft, what they call it, Google Chromebooks, yeah. So I'm used to using those. So now I'm using a Mac, And I just don't understand it. Even though I'm team iPhone, team Mac, it's totally different when you got a laptop. So my phone has always been my laptop. Now to use a physical laptop is crazy because there's no mouse, there's nothing. It's just touch. I don't know if I like it, but this is what I got her. Because we not in the potty stage no more. You feel me? She's on the toilet. And this is what she's going to use. Compliments Amazon.